welcome back to my channel. So excuse the really dim lighting and all, but we are in my room right now, and the reason why we're in my room is because today I'm going to be doing a room makeover. Not only is this a room makeover though, everything I purchased for redoing my room is very, very cheap. So all my decorations and everything came from Five and Below. As you know, everything there is Five and Below. Everything, like I said, came from Five and Below except for my bedspread and my rug that you'll see. That actually came from Ollies. But as you know, Ollies is another one of those stores that you get really good products for a cheap price. So everything I did today to redo my room is all for a good price, which is why I wanted to shoot this video to show you guys you don't have to go and spend tons of money at like one of those fancy furniture stores and all of that to make your room look super cute. And I'm so excited to show you guys what I have created. So we are in my room right now. It is not redecorated. This is what I'm working with, and I have been working with for quite a few months now. I've actually been wanting to redo my room for a while. My boyfriend actually just moved into his new apartment in Greenville, and I've been trying to redecorate his apartment because there's something inside of me that wants to be an interior designer these days. And of course, he lives in an apartment with two other guys, so they're not going to like the same styles I like. So I figured, you know what, this is time to redo my room. So that is why I'm redoing my room today, just because there's something in me right now that just wants to redecorate. So here I am redecorating my room. I'm going to show you guys what my room currently looks like the before, and then the whole process of how I change it, and then you guys will see the after when I am done. And I will also show you guys the prices of everything at the end of the video. So I'm going to quit babbling now. I'm going to get right on into the video. So if you guys are interested, then just please continue watching. Hi, me again. Also, please just ignore the way I look. I kind of forgot to mention that I haven't even bathed today. I just figured there was no point of getting pretty to start sweating and working in my dirty room. So, this is what you get today. Okay, let's get into the video. Alright guys, I'm about to just walk you into my room. This is what it currently looks like before redecorating. So, you know, I just got my little name here. This is the room. I don't really know the theme that I'm going for with the room I have now. It's kind of just blue and pink and all of that. But what I think is something about my room is like the bedspread here. That was actually like $80 from Bed Bath & Beyond. I know my mom's going to kill me right now for redoing my bedroom. But anyways, this was an $80 bedspread, and the bedspread I currently got from Ollies was only, I think, $40 or $50. I will leave the prices at the end of the video for sure, but it was a lot cheaper, and I actually like the bedspread that I have coming a lot better. It's just crazy that you can get good things for a good price. But this is my room. This is what I'm working with. This is the before of it. Ignore all of that. That's going to be all the new decorations. I just had nowhere to store it, so that's just where it is now. My vanity. That's my puppy blanket. And then we have my jewelry box. We have a light there and a dresser here. So yeah, this is currently my room. I will actually insert a picture too of what the whole room looks like so you guys can truly see a before and after. So here's that picture. Alright guys, so that is my room and what it looks like before the decorating. So now I'm going to get into the decorating, into the deep cleaning. You guys are going to get to watch some of that, bits and pieces of it. So let's see what my room's about to start looking like, and hopefully we don't discover anything gross and weird in my room while cleaning it. dust in here. It's getting to me. Alright guys, so my room is completely empty. Everything has been cleaned out of my room, so now we're going to start the deep cleaning. The part I literally am dreading right now. But we're going to start deep cleaning my room, vacuuming, dusting, getting everything right, and then I'll start bringing in all the new stuff. Alright guys, so the room has been deeply cleaned. So I was going to take you guys through the process of me putting all the new stuff in my room, but last minute decision, I have actually decided that I am going to put all the stuff in off of camera, so it'll be a big reveal when I'm done. So the next time you'll see me, my room will be completely back to normal with cool new stuff in it. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Alright. Hey guys, I am finally finished doing my room. Oh my gosh, so it's like 7 o'clock and I started this at like 12. But that's okay, I have finished. I probably look 100 times rougher. Is that a word? Rougher? I probably look more rough than what I did even starting this video because I have surely been sweating and I feel dirty and I'm ready to shower. So I am going to go ahead, open up my door, show you guys what it looks like. I am super excited. I'm also going to show you guys the prices of everything that's in my room, just to show you that it really was pretty cheap to redecorate my whole entire room. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and check out my room.
Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the bright is. Two left feet, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the high side. Think I need to get out, find me in the high side. Get out of the Wi-Fi, get out of the timeline. I don't need a limelight, just a line of my time. Take me to that real life, take me for a lifetime. I've been in the dark for way too long. Oh, grace, oh, grace. Every time you come around, I feel okay. Help me see color in the world of gray. Girl, you make me feel some type of way.
Alright guys, so this is my room. I am now just going to go through each item in my room that is newly purchased and tell you guys the price and where I got it. So, starting on this side. I know you guys are probably wondering what this shelf kind of is. So nothing on this shelf right here is new. This is all old stuff I already had. This shelf is my skincare shelf. So if you can see, I have my Bio Elements up there. And I just kind of have it decorated pretty with a mirror. So now to the new stuff. So, my desk lamp here, I did get a new lamp. That lamp was one of the items that was purchased from Hobby Lobby. But I did get that on sale. They had a 50% off sale, so I ended up only spending like $24 on that lamp. So that was a very good price, and it's very cute. The little plant decoration I have right here, I already had that in my room, so that's not new. And then, of course, y'all saw the table. It was already in my room, too. Up here, I don't know if you can see with the lighting, but this is like fairy lights, but it comes with, let me show y'all, these little clips right there, and you could clip pictures onto this. So right now I just have pictures of me and Andrew all over it just because I already had these pictures printed out. I am going to get some more pictures printed. You can fit 10 up here, which is really, really cool. And I got this from Five Below, and this was $5 only. So super cute addition to the room. Then over here, my initials I already had. They were blue though, so I did repaint them to pink. My bedspread right here, actually I got this all at Ollies. My dog messed up my tassels. Hold on. But yes, I got this all at Ollies. So it came with the two decorative pillows, the grayed ones. The white one in the back with sparkles I already had. And then the comforter itself, the gray comforter with the tassels, that was only $40 at Ollies. It came with the two decorative pillows. And then the sheet with the little pink lining that you see and the pillows behind that also came from Ollies. I think I got that for like $13. So pretty cheap, especially compared to the $80 bedspread I had before. And then right here, just just a little decoration. You can see I have my little dream catcher. I did get that from Five Below, and that was also $5. And then right here has to be my absolute favorite part of the room. So these are just my curtains, but I did take those floor arrangements and I put it on my curtains, and then I have little fairy lights underneath the arrangements. I really, really like it. I think it turned out super cute. Both of the fairy lights and the flowers came from Five Below. The floral, I think, was $4, and then the fairy light was $5. And then right here, I'm really into this little section of my room right here. It just looks very mellow and chill, and if I read books, I would totally sit on that and read books, but I don't read books. But it looks like I do, which is cool. So anyways, this shelf right here is actually a hanging shelf. It was already built and put together when I opened it, so that was great for this girl who does not know how to do construction. But the shelf was $5 from Five Below. The little accessories I have on it, the clock I already had in my room, but the little light with the fairy lights in it, which is super cute. I really, really like that. I got that from Five Below also for only $5. And right below the shelf, you'll see I have the little rug. The white rug was also from Five Below. Got that for $5. And then the little inflatable ottoman was from Five Below. Got that for $5 also. And then the trash can over here on the side was also from Five Below for $4. And I want to show you guys the ottoman because I really dig it. So if you can tell, in the ottoman, it has little silver glitter in it. I love it. If you shake it up, it looks super, super cool. And it just matches my room because you got the silver and gray. Also on top of the ottoman right there, that is no decoration. That is my iPad. I just have it sitting there because I figured if I'm not going to read a book, maybe I can read my iPad on my ottoman. It holds up to 200 pounds, and I think I'm not that much just yet anyways. Okay, and then moving on over to my vanity, which is also one of my favorite parts in my room. So above my vanity, you can see my little sign. It says, I believe in pink, and that is what Audrey Hepburn said. So I do really, really like that. And then here is the vanity in general. So my really, really favorite part of my vanity, of course, you can probably tell. This little magnetic sign, it's not picking up that well on camera, but it does say Beauty Type by Krislyn. If you're a follower of mine, you know that is my name of my channel, my Instagram, my Facebook, and all of that. Then, of course, I just have my brushes, my typical vanity mirror and all. Over here, oh, by the way, the magnetic board I have that lights up was from Five Below for $5. Also, the sign was $5 from Five Below. Got ahead of myself there. Okay, over here on this side, the little decoration I have right here, I got the decoration from Five Below. $5. The little elephant plant I have on top was only $3 from Five Below. And then my perfume I have up there is from Victoria's Secret. That wasn't part of the decoration. I just put it up there, and it was pink, so that matched my room, so that works. And then underneath, I just have one of those scented bead things that I got from Ollies for like $1. So it was pink. It matched, and it smells good, so it's good to put up there. Over to this side. So starting right here, I just have this little light bulb right here. I actually kind of like it better when it's off, but I kept it on for lighting. It's just very simple but cute, so I like it. Came from Hobby Lobby for like $5. It was also 50% off that day, so I snagged it. If you're wondering, this part right here I can never take down because these are sentimental value decorations. So all of these little girls up there, my grandma actually gave me those ever since birth until graduation. So it's got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-year-old, all of that, all the way till the graduation one. And the last one I'll get is actually when I get married. So you'll get a bridal one. So they just stay up there. They're nothing new. These dead roses right here are actually what Andrew gave me. But down here is where I decorated new things on my dresser. So I have the picture of me and Andrew, of course, and then over here I just have a little basket. Also, none of this is new. This is all old stuff that I already had in my room, so I just put it in here. So you can just see I just kind of knick-knacked the dresser up. This says Babe Cave. I'm a girl, so I'm a babe. So this just hangs on the front of my door. I really liked it mainly because it was light pink, so it matched the room, and it was very cute. This was from Five Below for $3. Last but not least, I don't think I mentioned the price of the rugs and all. So the rug that I have right here, that's my dog. The rug I have right here in front of my bed was from Ollies. We got it for like $12. The rug over here under my vanity, that was from Five Below for $5. So guys, I'm back in the corner of my dark room again. This video is definitely not a very bright and professional looking, but I did this video just so I can show you guys you can definitely redo your whole entire room for a cheaper price at cheaper stores and still make it look super, super cute. I love the way my whole room turned out, and I'm very excited I got to share with you guys what it looks like because I did work very, very hard in this room today. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. I know it's different from the ones I usually do. So if you did enjoy, make sure you leave me some likes and comments down below just so I will know. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave so you will not miss out on any other fun videos we do here on my channel. And I will just see you guys in my next video.